channel. This is your girl Monique Nicole. If this is your first time tuning in, make sure you press that subscribe button. Also make sure you click that bell for that notification link. So today is part of my 31 days of October slay, and I must say it is dwindling down to the end of the month. Thank goodness. No, I've actually been having a lot of fun dishing out these looks and these DIYs, so I hope you are enjoying them just as much as I am. So today I'm going to be doing a half skull look, well, like a pumpkin kind of skull look, because I'm going to be only doing the bottom half of my face, hence why I already have my top half of my makeup done. Now, I'm not going to be doing any kind of costume with this, because you can just use your imagination. You can basically put on anything you have in there. So it's all going to be about the face. Yes, this right here. So, yeah, I'm just going to go ahead. I'm going to get straight into my pumpkin skull face, and let's see how it goes. So stay tuned. Alright, as you already know, I already started off with the top of my face already done. Now keep in mind, I only did this off camera because you can actually do any kind of makeup that you want. I decided just to go with the simple black smoky eye look with some green shimmer eyeshadow in my eyebrows and a touch of orange glitter in the inner corners of my eyes. So now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be marking off the bottom half of my face. So I'm going to be using just a regular like eye pencil, and I'm just going to be marking that off. Also, I was inspired by Miss Halsey, and I'll make sure that I will put her original video in the description box below. Alright, so now I'm going to be going in with my orange Snazaroo face paint, and I'm using a foundation brush. It seems to be the easiest to apply face makeup, so that's just a little hint right there. So I'm just going to be painting the bottom half of my face all orange. So right now I'm just going to speed this up for you. So off camera, I did add a couple more layers of the orange, just to give it more of a deep orange. So now I'm contemplating what to do next. So I was just trying to swirl around my black Snazaroo paint, because as you can see, it dripped all over the place. So I had to like clean that up before it stained anything. So now what I'm going to be doing is I'm actually going to be tracing the outline of the orange part of my face to create that mask look. So right now what I had did was I had already traced out the triangle on my nose and around the mouth. The reason why I did that because I had recorded it and then I had like totally messed up. So I did it all over off camera. But here I am just outlining it just to kind of give you an idea of what I did. And I'm just using a regular black like lip pencil. So now what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to be taking the same black face paint. I'm going to be coloring in what I've outlined. Now I'm so sorry y'all, sometimes I be concentrating so much and that I look in the mirror that I forget that I have to focus on the camera. But yeah, all I'm doing is coloring in the nose and the mouth part. Oh, and here's the part where I remember like, oh crap, I have to focus. So now you can get a better look of what I am doing. So yes, I'm just filling in the space that I outlined. Alright, so now that is done, now I have to let it dry. So now that I have it dry, I am going to, well, yeah, I need to get this off my teeth first. But it's okay, just did a little wipe around with my tongue, and don't worry, it's non-toxic. So now I'm going to go ahead with the next step, and I'm going to be creating the lines on the pumpkin mask. And all I'm doing is I'm taking the same angle brush and the same black face paint to create the lines. Keep in mind that when you are doing the lines, don't do them straight. Make sure they have a little curve to it. And I'm just going to be going back and forth from the right side to the left side. Alright, so I did munch up my nose a little bit, but I did clean that up off camera. So now I gotta let this dry a little bit, and I'm gonna be going in with the shading. So right now I'm taking some black eyeshadow, and I'm going in between my lines and around the mask, just to kind of, rest it up a little bit. Keeping in mind I'm no pro. I'm learning as I am continuing to do my YouTube videos. So, when you're doing this, don't get upset if it doesn't look like the YouTubers. The simple fact is that you're actually taking the time to try and do it, which I feel like is the best pay result. So hey, this is my final look. I love how the hair really brightened up this look. I'm kind of glad I went with this wig instead of like a green wig. Instead I just put the green in my eyebrows just to represent this stem of the pumpkin. Now if you want to know more information in regards to this wig, I definitely already have a review for it, and I will post that in the description box below. So make sure that you go ahead and you check it out. Now when it comes to this look, I'm so pleased. I've been wanting to do this look since the last year, but yeah, the orange paint wasn't really working for me last year. I don't know what happened, but it's the same paint, and yeah, I don't know, maybe the Halloween guys are just looking out for me because I really love the way how this turned out. So let me just go in a little bit closer. Now everything I do is for the first time, so I'm not the great at shading, but I am working on building on my craft. So I really like it. I think it's very glam. It's like very sexy. You can still tell who I am even though half of my face is covered with paint. But let me know what you think. If you really love this look, make sure you drop a pumpkin emoji in the comment section below. Also, of course, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Doesn't matter what order you doing it, just make sure you do it. Have your friends subscribe, hit that notification link, because your girl, come on, I'm just loving all the love that I've been getting this month, dropping all of these videos. And yes, this is very glammy. So just take a look at the eyes. Don't knock me on my eyelashes. You already know I struggle on trying to put on strips, but yeah, very, very pretty. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to take some pictures. Let y'all see a side profile. Okay, so like I say at the end of all of my videos, make sure you stay positive. Also, make sure you stay beautiful. And make sure you check out my next slay. Bye.